Hello friends, welcome to this video. My name is Kumar Singh. Today I am going to show you a very useful product known as Forever Garlic Thyme. Forever Garlic Thyme has been produced by Forever Living Company. It is in the form of gels, soft gels. After opening, it looks like this in the form of soft gels. It contains 1000 mg of milligram of garlic and 150 milligram of thyme. It can be easily taken orally every day, and it has a lot of benefits. As per this company, the garlic is already known to all of us because it has been used from ancient time and is known to give a lot of multiple benefits, health benefits, especially for the cardiovascular system. Now, thyme is also a herbal plant which has got medicinal values. It is used to reduce the oxidative stress level in the body, fight free radicals inside our body. So both these together contained in the form of soft gel help you to maintain good health, good cardiovascular circulatory system, and fighting free radicals in your body. Apart from that, it also has saponins, which is used to maintain the body immunity level. So it's very useful, and I hope you liked uh, to hear about this. So I request you to subscribe my channel, and if you are interested to know more about the nutritional products and other products of this company, you are most welcome to visit my description box and find out about Forever Living Company's products, how you can join Forever Living Company, how you can earn from this company. Everything in detail I am able to share with you that could certainly help you out if you are looking for a source of passive income in your life. And there is a webinar link in my description box, which you can use to watch a free webinar in which you will find a lot of important things to know uh, about how to start earning from different sources of from different sources and multiple sources, and you will be benefited, certainly benefited after watching this. So I request you to watch it once at least and let me know about your uh, opinion after watching this webinar. Thank you so much listening to me. See you in another video. Till then, have a nice time. Thank you.